from sustained move.
All right, so why don't we move on to commodities, because that's the one thing we really haven't talked about yet today. And we have seen some action in potash and mosaic.
Yes, we have. We talked about CF last week as the leading stock in that group. Our buy price was 144 to 145. It's now at new highs. If you take a look here, hopefully you have some. This has given some life to the group. This broke above this big resistance area. It's at new highs. And then like you said with potash, POT, you look here, it just started to get above this descending area. We talked about buying it right around here. I do think there's some room. It was upgraded today. This stock has, I think, open range up into about 60. And I think mosaic is like the tail of the dog. It's not so great, but from down at this lower level, it's been a decent trade. If you want to see where it could go to, before it hits some big-time resistance, it's already at one level. The next level is 74, 75. These two aren't leaders, but CF is giving you enough power here to give some hope that some of these laggards could be a trade.
All right, so let's move on to oil services. That broke the lower range to the upside. So really, what's next in this group?
Well, again, with 14 handles up or 12 handles up, it's hard. We talked about entering in that lower pivot. If I were you with these OIHs, and you were long when it did break this 150 area, which we talked about, I'd be selling it into this 160 area because you have a high, a lower high. This will be an area of some big resistance, so I would be a seller there.
All right, so we're getting those sell tickets out for that, but what are we going to do with CMG?
CMG's at new highs, just another thing to look at, another area to see that stocks can go to new highs if they show outrageous relative strength. That was one of them. I don't want to see you chase it up here, but if you're long, I think you could continue to hold it.
All right, well, we can't ignore our currencies. So how about gold and silver? That has been what everyone's been watching.
I don't want to sound like I keep saying the same thing, but we talked about these lower areas in the commodities. Silver, gold, SLV was really, really tight. It broke above 35, went to resistance 1, and now it's on its way to resistance 2. I don't want to see you guys buy, this up move into this moving average. Hopefully you got involved here, and if you're in some still, congratulations. I see some resistance, heavy resistance, in this 38 to 40 area, so I'd rather see you be a seller into